Okay, so the next activity is called the memory test. Now, this one, when this activity came out, Nearpod teachers weren't fond of it because it's simply a memory test. Find this picture, find its match. Find this word, find its match. Teachers wanted the ability to say, find this picture that matches with this word. There's more academic value in that. But memory test stuck around and has its merit as well. But then the other activity called matching pairs joined the Nearpod suite of activities later. So I'm going to tell you how memory test works. So first of all, let's say we're just doing images and we'll go bear, and this is searching Bing images. So you just drag your image over and it makes a pair. And we'll search for cow and you just drag your image over and it makes a pair. You can also do text. This is a little confusing. You have to pick your style and drag it and then type your word and it makes the pair. Now, you can change your grid size to have pairs of, there you go, 6 pairs, 8 pairs, or 12 pairs. And finally, you can have a final question about one of the pairs, which you're going to see that example in this Nearpod because I added one. So let's look at student view, teacher view. All right. So let me make sure that I'm recording. Yes, I am. Okay. So I'm back at teacher view, student view. I have a sight word NPL that I found that actually uses the memory test feature. And I have a student here, Pat Benatar, who's going to join my session. And there she goes. And I'm going to go through this kind of in a linear fashion because I know I have some younger grade teachers looking. And this particular author, I really like her early childhood stuff. She's got these cute little graphics and cute little backgrounds, but she also uses the draw it feature in a really cool way. Oh, yeah, here we go. She's got this neat activity, read, trace, write. So the student would, you've got your immersive reader to read that. If they can't read it, you can piece out on that. And they have to read it, so must. And then they would have to, pick up a pen and trace it. So, probably a mouse would be better than using it. You get the idea. So they trace it and then they have to write it underneath. So, they'd come down here and they turn that drawing in. And she, I'm not going to turn it in, but she has lots and lots of those in here. In addition to that, she also has a memory test. She says, find the match. She calls it find the match. And so even though it says it's a matching pairs, it's actually a memory test because the stuff is the same. It says memory test up here. So I'm sure that the coders used very similar code when they coded these. So it's words. So I have to click on a word and then try to find the match, and it goes away if I don't get a match. So I'm literally going to be terrible at this. I did see that one. There's one. So that one sticks. Gosh, I don't know. Oh, right there. So this is basically all the memory test is. Okay, so we're going to go to matching pairs next, and you can see how it has a little bit different value.